Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and avoiding crowded places. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, enterprising endeavors of the structural and fabrication shops of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant brings about substantial savings for the company. And sanitization continues in different parts of Steel Township for containing spread of the multiple wave of COVID-19. Coming to the news in details, the industrious and enterprising employees of the structural and fabrication shops of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant successfully reconditioned the badly damaged slag cars of the Steel Melting Shop 1, thereby bringing about a substantial savings for the company. It may be noted that the self-propelled slag cars are used to transfer the generated slag from the LD converters to the dumping yard at Slag Bay of SMS1. There are 6 slag cars used in SMS1, out of which 2 are in operation for the LD converters P and Q, 2 are kept as standby, and 2 are under repair. The cars are in use since 1966 and have got deformed in course of time after being operated in the extreme working conditions of heavy load and heat. As a result, they are getting derailed many a times, thereby disrupting production. Though they have been repaired several times internally by SMS1, but the derailment problem could not be eliminated completely. Under the guidance of Mr. R.K. Patra, CGM SMS1, and Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM Shops, a group comprising Mr. S.N. Sahu, Senior Manager SMS1, Mr. D. Mishra, Assistant Manager Shops SNF, Mr. P.K. Peda, Master Technician, Mr. C.G. Behera, Senior Technician, Mr. K. Mahapatra, Senior Technician, Mr. R. Topo, Senior Technician, Mr. N.K. Malik, Senior Technician, Mr. M. Badaik, Senior Technician, Mr. R. Bada, Senior Technician, and Mr. K.K. Swai, Senior Technician, took the challenge to recondition one of the badly damaged slag cars by straightening and refabricating its deformed frame. The scope of repair and procedure was frozen in consultation with Mr. S.C. Sabas, GM Shops SNF, and Mr. C. Tirki, GM Mechanical SMS1. Its drive motor, gearbox, and wheels were dismantled. The wheel guides of the car frame were straightened along with the coil spring mounting brackets. Top plates of both sides of the plate, pot holding stands, and drive box hood etc. were replaced by newly fabricated structures. Final assembly was done with reconditioned wheel sets and gearbox. After successful operation of the renovated car, the other damaged cars will be reconditioned subsequently. By reconditioning it in-house, a cash flow of about Rs 40 lakhs could be saved through the new purchase cost. In a function organized at Structural and Fabrication Shops on 28 June, the equipment was handed over to SMS1 in the presence of Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM Shops, and senior official of SMS1 and Shops. In compliance to the COVID guidelines, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been taking all possible measures to mitigate the effects of present and the anticipated wave of COVID pandemic. The various initiatives in this direction include proactive sanitization, communication drives, developing treatment facilities, as well as augmenting tracing, testing, and vaccination. The Public Health Unit of the Town Engineering Department of RSP has been actively engaged in cleaning and decontamination of residential areas and public places. In the present week, different sectors across the Steel Township were sanitized. The public places where disinfection drive was carried out this week were Mahila Police Station Sector 4, Police Station at Sector 3, 7, 15 and 19, Booster Pump House situated at IGH Rourkela House, Ring Road in Sector 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 15, 17, 19, 21 and IGH Nitra Office, market areas of Sector 4, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, Ispat Market, Munda Market, Gajapati Market, China Market, VIP Market, Civil and Electrical Maintenance booth of Sector 4, 5, 6, 8, 15, 17 and IGH Town Engineering Office, 33 kV Electrical Substation Sector 6, Health Center of Sector 1, 6 and 15, Brahmani Water Works Sector 8, Intake Well and Waterworks of Sector 20, Rourkela House, Rourkela Steel Television Center, Durrani Bhavan and Ispat Library of Sector 19. It may be noted that RSP is making out all efforts for regular cleaning and sanitizing so as to prevent the anticipated third wave and ensure a healthy safety of the residents of Steel Township. That's all from our news desk today. Namaskar.